Watch this. That deep growl sound, first off, is just insane. Like, it's one of those voices that if you heard in the wild and it wasn't in like a sanctuary area and you were just out in the Everglades and heard that, it would be a very, very unwelcoming sound. It's just an eerie sound, but this is basically just them communicating. They will do things like this. They'll have that hiss sound that I'm sure you've heard, but they will make sounds like this just to communicate, attract mates, things like that. But what's wild is, you can kind of see in this video, when an alligator is big enough, first off, like the big full-grown males, they will make this noise, and it's such a powerful noise that under the water, it will actually vibrate the water and make it kind of move around and dance. That's just how powerful some of these alligators can get and how it makes the actual water around them move. But people just don't realize how big alligators get, because if you didn't grow up around them, you might not realize they will get anywhere from like 10 to 13 feet long, which is hard to even imagine. If you think of like a basketball goal being 10 feet, a lot of them can get even longer than that. And then some of them reach up to 1,000 pounds. They're pretty much just literal, real life dinosaurs that we have living today.